Sorry, my place is just kind of a mess right now.
Emma, it's okay to make a bold romantic gesture without passing it off as a housekeeping malfunction.
Walsh, I can't marry you.
It's too soon, huh?
It's not that. I need to go home and take care of some things.
Home? You said you were an orphan. You said it was just you and Henry. This was your home.
That wasn't a lie. There's a part of my life that I've been blocking out, and I think it would be impossible for you to understand.
Come on, how do you know that? What changed overnight?
Someone from my past showed up.
Henry's father. Another ex.
It's nothing like that. He's more like a ghost.
Okay, so that's how I'm supposed to sleep at night? You're trading me in for a ghost?
It kills me to have to make this choice at all. To leave us behind my whole life.
Emma, if you love this life, then keep it. Stay. Just stay.
I can't. I wish you could see this the way I see it.
I wish you hadn't drank that potion.
What?
Just wouldn't leave well enough alone.
What are you talking about?
It's too bad. I actually kind of liked you.
Who are you?
One? What the blazes was that?
A reminder that I was never safe. That what I wanted, what I thought I could have, was not in the cards for the Savior. We leave in the morning.